Okay, today we are going to be setting up our stand mixers here in our kitchens. So you're going to have 2 or 3 items. You're going to have your stand itself. You're going to have your bowl with a handle. And you are going to have your beater. So the first thing is on the side, there's this lever. You can set it down and raise it up. When you raise it up, that means that your mixer is ready to go. When you set it down, that means that you can load up all the things you need to on your mixer. So, step 1, make sure the handle is down. Then, you're going to grab your bowl by the handle. Your handle is going to be on the outside edge. So I'm going to turn my mixer a bit so it's easier for me to use. Your hand's going to be on the outside. Now, if you notice that there's 2, you see these 2 spots? And on here, there's 2 pegs. So those holes need to go over the pegs. Now what I'm going to do is tilt it up a little bit. Okay, you see how I have it kind of tilted towards me? I'm going to put it on like that. Now, once it's on both pegs, I'm going to go in the back and I'm going to give it a good push so it snaps in. You should hear a snap. Okay, the next step is I have my beater. Now, if you notice, on the side it has a little slot and on the top it has a slot. This is a keyhole slot. And what you're going to do is on your mixer, you're going to see on this little post, you're going to see a little spot that comes out. Now you have to line this piece up with that, slide it up, give it a twist, and then let it set down. Now if you notice, I took my hands off, my beater did not fall down. It's locked in there, okay? Then I'm going to take this arm again, remember this arm? And I'm going to raise it up and lock it into place, okay? Once that's all done, then I'm going to make sure my mixer is plugged in. Okay. And then when it's time to use your mixer, over here is going to be your settings. So you can see it has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. When you're beating sugar and butter together, you're going to have a higher one. When you're adding in your dry ingredients, you're going to go to a lower one, maybe a 2 or maybe 3. So if you notice, there you go, it works. Okay, and then when you are done with your mixer and you're ready, you have your mixture all set up in here, then what you're going to do is lower your bowl back down, okay? And at this point, you're going to pull your beater up just a little bit, give it a twist the reverse direction, and pop it out. Now our cookie recipe is going to have you taking the dough off of the beater, and so that you're just going to use your fingers. Don't lick your fingers, but you're just going to use your fingers and wipe it off. And then to take this off, you just pop it out. And then there you're going to have your completed cookie dough. And that's all you have to do to set up and take apart your mixer.